In this video, I'll show you how to fix the fatal crash error in UE4 Oblivion Remastered, so you can get back to gaming without interruptions. Method 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Visit NVIDIA or AMD's website to download the latest drivers. Method 2. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam. Go to your library, right-click Oblivion Remastered, select Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. This will fix any corrupted or missing files. Method 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game's shortcut or executable. Select Properties, Compatibility tab. Then check Run this program as an administrator. Method 4. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, or any other apps running in the background that might interfere with the game. Method 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings, especially shadows and effects, to reduce strain on your system. Important notes. Make sure your PC meets the game's minimum requirements. Update Windows to the latest version. If the crash persists, try reinstalling the game. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more game troubleshooting tips.